This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Nancy Ellen. This home is priced to sell. Situated in a quiet neighborhood, this home delivers direct access and a quick ride out to the Big Marco River. Featuring 12-feet ceilings, 10-feet pocketing impact sliding doors, custom window treatments, extra large pool and lanai, granite countertops, spa tub, fruit trees, and 130 feet of seawall. This deep-water, wide Canal Custom Built Home is located on a Cul De Sac, which adds to the appeal. Click on the VT icon at the top of the listing to see a real video of the property and see everything this home has to offer. If you have worked hard your whole life and now want to enjoy the fruits of your labor, this home will allow you to live the Marco Island lifestyle. Fishing, golfing, dining out, shopping, tennis, philanthropy and hundreds of things to do that will keep you active and involved are here for you to enjoy. For more information, review the details below or contact Nancy Ellen at 239-494-0455.